In this video, I will show you how to turn a website full of government legislative records into something you can actually work with using Minexa.ai. I am navigating to the pluralpolicy.com page that already shows the full list of legislative tracking results. Now just tap the Minexa.ai icon in the browser toolbar to open the extension and get started. With Minexa.ai open, press the violet button labeled I'm on the right page so it can identify the main legislative records data blocks on this page. The page scan is complete, and Minexa.ai has automatically located the main results list of legislative bills and actions. Choose whether you want to scrape only the list view or include full extraction of each results detail page. Continue move things forward, but select Advanced if you need to perform clicks or form submissions before results load. Minexa.ai found and highlighted the data container on the page. Hit Create Scraper and it studies the page once, then knows exactly what to pull. Minexa.ai has identified every data field related to legislative bills and actions, such as bill numbers, titles, statuses, sponsors, and dates. Pick what you want and reuse this scraper forever for updated data. For developers, click the API request button to access data programmatically. It's a cost-effective option compared to processing each page with large language models at scale. Hit Complete Configuration to validate your settings and finalize the scraper setup. Minexa.ai detected the pagination automatically, so every run moves through all pages to collect all legislative data without extra setup. You're one click away from running a live scraping job. Optionally, you can set a schedule or connect to Google Sheets before running. The scraper is live. Just hit Run to start extracting legislative bills and actions data immediately. Every value is taken exactly as it appeared on the page, with no reformatting or interpretation. You get data points like bill numbers, statuses, sponsors, and dates exactly as shown on pluralpolicy.com. Click Export to save your data in a clean spreadsheet format with one row per legislative record and columns for each data field. Getting data from any website used to be hard. Minexa.ai makes it simple for anyone, and for developers, replaces fragile scripts and LLM processing with one reusable scraper.